All right, guys, so we got our batteries kind of hooked up in here. They're on 24 volt, don't judge. Oh, I do have some of that starting juice. You want me to grab some of that stuff?
Might not need it.
Might not. Well, where's the injection pump? Is it on your side?
Yeah.
Is the kill cable? Make sure you find the kill cable.
Pretty sure it's on the pedal. You pull the pedal back.
Yeah. Okay. Over there tight?
Yeah.
If it runs away, we're just gonna start running. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Okay. Okay. Well, it moves. Says as we get oil pressure, see if our blade lifts up. Blade lifts up, dang. All right, okay. Guess we can unhook the battery. I guess we'll see if the old knuckle boom is starting now. See if this thing moves. Heck yeah.